Hello guys, today I want to tell you that my Blender add-on JSculpt Tools is migrated to Blender 4.2 and 4.3. You find it here on the Blender Market. The link is in the description below. Especially the function extract mask didn't work in Blender 4.2 because of an API change, but now with the update you can use it again. We have a mesh here in sculpt mode in Blender 4.2 and the resolution is high enough to draw a mask and to extract a mesh. After that, the new mesh has the same resolution as the original one and you can instantly use it for sculpting. By the way, here's a little tip to use your favorite brushes. I always find it a bit annoying to select my brush from this huge list of brushes. I like to press the Q key and select it from my favorites. And here's how to add a brush to the favorites. You just right-click the brush and then select Add to Quick Favorites. Easy. Then you press the Q key again and you see the brush in the menu. That was the grab brush. Now let's add another one. For example, the pose brush that I use from time to time. So guys, that was it. Kind of a comeback after quite some time, but I plan more videos in the future, especially for sculpting. I hope you like this one. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, add these to the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you here on JNM.